guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie and I'm a Kenyan YouTuber based in Nairobi, Kenya. I make content about lifestyle in Nairobi, travel, real estate and infrastructure. So if that seems to interest you, please go ahead and stick around, subscribe, like this video and comment down below what you think. Now, today we are exploring the Nairobi Expressway, which is an expressway road that was created in 2022. It's approximately 27 kilometers. This road was created to aid in reducing traffic and congestion along Mombasa Road. Now, you may be wondering why Mombasa Road? If you're not Kenyan, let me explain. The Mombasa Road is a road that links the Nairobi city to the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. Now, if you're visiting Kenya for the first time or visiting Kenya at all, most likely you're going to arrive to Nairobi, Kenya through the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. So I hope now that kind of makes sense as to why this road is very important. Now, before the expressway was constructed, this was a very busy road and was constantly congested. Now, the government saw it fit to construct this payable expressway where, especially when people are going to the airport, it's just easy for you to pay a small fee and have that expressway experience getting to the airport, especially for tourists or business people or whatever. So the elevated road that you see in this video is the Nairobi Expressway. Now, last year in 2025, the government announced that they're going to be doing a rehabilitation of this road. So if you want to see very detailed videos about the expansion of the Nairobi Expressway, the rehabilitation of the Nairobi Expressway, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and also check out all my infrastructure videos. Now, on this video, we're going to take a drive from the Nairobi CBD all the way to Mlolongo town. That is how far the expressway runs up to. We take a look at the maintenance of this road. Is the road being properly maintained? We take a look at the lower deck and see what is happening. And you guys let me know in the comment section, is this expansion and rehabilitation fast enough, or should we give them ample time so we can see results? So let's take this amazing epic drive through from Nairobi CBD to Mlolongo, and you guys be the judge. Let me know if you think that the government is doing a good job or more effort needs to be done. Again, remember to like, comment and subscribe, and of course I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.